Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a really nice and cozy 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house for sale. It is located in Christiana, Manchester, and is waiting on you to make it your new home. It sits on 1/4 acre of land. The property is in a family-oriented community and consists of spacious bedrooms, front and back verandas, open space living room that leads to the kitchen with built-in cupboards. The house has a 1-bedroom studio flat income earner. The yard is paved with space to do a little gardening. The property is fruited with banana, orange, and breadfruit trees, and there is also a water tank. Invest in your future today. Make a call to schedule your viewing appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 28 million or US $181.9 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.